This is Hemant Patel from Silver Lake, Michigan. Today is September 5th, 2021. We are just 6 days away from 28th anniversary of 9/11, September 11, when almost 3,000 innocent Americans were killed by Islamic terrorist attack. Now, during that time frame, the 48 universities, top 48 universities of America like Princeton, Harvard, Northwestern, they are organizing a three-day conference about dismantling Hindutva instead of Islamic terrorism. The Hindus who do not even want to kill a harmful bacteria or mosquito, they do not want to even kill a plant. For them, these universities are organizing a conference. Instead of that, they should be organizing a conference about Islamic terrorism, where the Islamic school called Madrasa, they teach a systematic hate, violence and terrorism. That should be condemned and that should be stopped. It is a shameful for all those universities, America and for the entire world. Instead of having a conference about terrorism, now they are having a conference about Hindutva, who do not even want to kill a mosquito or bacteria. Thank you.